To link Klarna payment, start by going to the merchant or online store where you want to use Klarna as a payment option. Look for the Klarna logo or the payment options section where Klarna is listed. Click on it to initiate the linking process. Next, you will be redirected to the Klarna website where you need to sign in or create an account if you do not already have one. Enter your email address and password to log in, or follow the prompts to create a new account. Once you are logged in, you will be asked to provide some basic information such as your name, address, and date of birth. This information is required to verify your identity and set up your Klarna account. After providing the necessary information, you will be asked to link a payment method to your Klarna account. This can be a credit or debit card, or a bank account. Enter the details of your chosen payment method, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Klarna will then perform a verification check to ensure that the payment method is valid and that you are the authorized user. This may involve a small test transaction being made to your account, which will be refunded immediately. Once your payment method is verified, you can complete the linking process by agreeing to Klarna's terms and conditions. Review the terms carefully to understand how Klarna works and what fees may apply. With your Klarna account linked, you can now use it as a payment option at participating merchants. Simply select Klarna at checkout and follow the prompts to complete your purchase. Klarna will then send you an invoice with instructions on how to pay. It is essential to note that Klarna offers different payment plans, including Pay Now, Pay Later, and financing options. Be sure to review the terms and conditions of each plan to choose the one that best suits your needs. To avoid any issues with your Klarna account, make sure to keep your payment method up to date and pay your invoices on time. Late payments may result in fees and negative credit reporting. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily link Klarna payment and enjoy a convenient and flexible way to shop online.